स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. The district magistrate discharged the notice after holding that the petitioner does not appear to be having the characteristics of Gunda as defined under the Act full stop. By the said order, bail bonds have been cancelled and sureties were discharged full stop. However, by the same order dated 26/2/2011, which has been passed by the Additional District Magistrate Budayu, a direction has been given that the petitioner shall report at the nearest police station every 15 days for the next 6 months full stop. It is this latter part of the aforesaid order dated 26/2/2011 by which the petitioner is aggrieved full stop. The submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner is that the condition as has been imposed by the impugned order could have been imposed only after the petitioner was declared Gunda under the provisions of the Act and not otherwise full stop. It has been contended that since the notice has been discharged as there was no ingredient of Gunda found, no such restriction could have been imposed as has been done in the present case full stop. Para. A plain reading of section 3 of the Act would go to show that it is only after being satisfied that the conditions specified in clauses A, B and C of section 3 exist that the district magistrate can issue any direction regarding externment or impose any restriction with regard to the movement of the petitioner as provided under subsection (3) of section 3 of the Act full stop. What we find in the present case is that on the basis of evidence adduced by the petitioner, a clear finding has been recorded in the impugned order itself that there is no evidence to show that the petitioner is Gunda, and thus the notice issued has been being withdrawn as no case has been made out against him full stop. Once such a finding has been recorded, meaning thereby that there is no satisfaction of the district magistrate that any of the conditions specified in subsection (1) of section 3 exist, we are of the clear view that the district magistrate could not have thereafter issued any direction imposing restriction on the movement of the petitioner full stop. In having done so and issuing the aforesaid direction to the petitioner to report every 15 days at the police station for the next 6 months full stop, the district magistrate has overstepped his jurisdiction full stop. As such, the said direction deserves to be quashed full stop. Para. Accordingly, this writ petition stands allowed to the extent that the direction given in the order dated 26/2/2011 passed by the Additional District Magistrate Budayu requiring the petitioner to report at the police station every 15 days for the next 6 months is quashed full stop. There shall be no order as to costs full stop. Para. Learned counsel for the respondent contended that the observation was clearly in the nature of an obiter dicta and did not lay down the correct law full stop. That was a case in which respondent number 1 had entered into a contract with respondent number 2 for taking advances of the security of the factory premises, plant and machinery full stop. A mortgage was executed by him in favor of the respondent bank full stop. द बैंक इंश्योर्ड द मॉर्टगेज्ड properties from time to time with the appellant company under different insurance policies, full stop. A fire broke out in the factory, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये 120 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट के लिए हो गया है, ठीक है। इसमें कोई नाम वगैरह नहीं आया है, ऑबिटर डिक्टा आया है। तो ऑबिटर डिक्टा के लिए ऑप्टर या तो बी की डबलिंग कर दीजिए ओ की वॉवल आफ्टर में, ठीक है, सॉरी बिफोर में ओ की वॉवल और बी की डबलिंग ऑप्टर, ये ऑबिटर हो गया, ठीक है। तो आपको अगर इससे अगर आप पहले से इससे इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हो इस वर्ड से, तो इसे आप बी की डबलिंग से समझ जाओगे। ऑप्टर डिक्टा, इसी में या तो डी से इसको काट दीजिए लास्ट में, या फिर के हाफ जोड़ दीजिए। ऑप्टर डिक्ट, ऑप्टर इक्ट, ठीक है, या तो डी से काट दीजिए ऑप्टर डिक्टा हो जाएगा, या फिर ऑप्टर बना के हाफ जोड़ दीजिए ऑप्टर इक्ट, ठीक है। इससे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। इससे ना अगर के हाफ से समझ में ना आए तो डी से केवल काट दीजिए, ऑप्टर डी से ऑप्टर डिक्टा हो जाएगा और दोनों में स्पेस होता है, ठीक है। इसके अलावा और कुछ है? इसके अलावा इसमें और कुछ खास नहीं है, ठीक है। तो इसको लीजिएगा और लेके बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन। कमेंट कीजिएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में, और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, और अपने व्यूज़ बताइएगा, रिव्यू बताइएगा, स्पीड कैसी है, ठीक है, बढ़ाना है नहीं बढ़ाना है, ये सारी चीज़ें। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में।